In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable a menu item in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to hide any menu item you no longer want to show, without deleting anything or breaking your layout. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and land on your main dashboard. If you're using GoHighLevel in your browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. Once you're signed in and looking at your dashboard, we're ready to adjust your settings. Next, head over to Settings. You'll find it on the left-hand menu. Clicking Settings takes you to the control center for your account, where you can manage everything from permissions to interface customization. Now, scroll down until you see Custom Menu Links and open it. This section is where you control which custom items appear in your left-hand navigation. Think of it as the hub for adding, organizing, or hiding links so your team only sees what they need. Find the specific menu item you want to disable. Scan through the list and look for the exact name you recognize. If you manage a lot of items, take your time to confirm you've selected the right one so you don't hide something important by mistake. Click Edit next to that item. This opens the configuration panel for that menu entry. You'll see the current settings for how it appears and where it points. To disable or hide the item, look for the option labeled Show in Menu or a visibility toggle. Interfaces can vary slightly, but the idea is the same. Turn that toggle off. This doesn't delete the link, it simply removes it from the visible menu. It's reversible, so you can turn it back on anytime if you change your mind. Keep in mind that what users see can also depend on their permissions, but hiding it here removes it from the menu for the selected context. Click Save to confirm your change. You should see a brief confirmation, and your new preference will be applied. Saving is essential. If you navigate away without saving, the menu item will remain visible. Finally, refresh your dashboard to verify the change. A quick page reload will update the sidebar, and the item you disabled should no longer be visible. If it still shows, give it a moment and refresh again to ensure the settings have taken effect. That's it. Simple, clean, and fully reversible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your GoHighLevel menu focused and clutter-free.